Good afternoon, parents, friends, and peers. When we talk about pollution, we think of factories or traffic jams in crowded cities. But the truth is that pollution has quietly entered our homes, our routines, and even our children's future. The air they breathe, the water they drink, and the soil that grows their food. So, what is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances or energy into the environment that causes undesirable changes in the living organisms and our ecosystem. Power plants, refineries, mines, factories, wastewater treatment plants, etc. are the most common sources, but our household plays a big role in it as well. The cooking, cleaning products, tobacco smoke emitted out, and the fuel burning appliances like furnaces or stoves we use daily only increases this pollution. And one of the most horrifying effects of this pollution is a man-made effect, which is called acid rain, today's topic of our exhibition. Now let's learn about acid rain to an act.
In the greenery all around, the skies are clear blues. But we see two cars are coming through, releasing exhaust fumes. The factories and thermal power plants over here are releasing harmful gases into the air around us. These are oxides of nitrogen and sulfur we are adding to our environment. The clear clouds slowly become darker, rare. Lightning happens and gases like nitrogen oxide and sulfur trioxide forms. We see the water vapor around us condense, reacting with these gases. The grey clouds turn black and these tiny water droplets form acids. They gather, become heavier and come down as acid rain.
From this we learned how acid rain is formed. Now my friend Boni will tell us about the effects of acid rain through an experiment.
Alright everyone, now we are going to show you what happens inside water bodies due to increased acidity from rainwater right here in just a few minutes. Now my friend is filling both the test tubes with clean tap water. And now she is adding 1 drop of little Renbo into each test tube. See how both turn blue. The blue color tells us oxygen is present. Now in one of the test tubes she is adding excess nutrients like more food or nutrients from waste where dumping is increasing the microorganisms. Now see what will happen. The blue color is turning pink. This color is discolored. That means the oxygen present in it is used up by the microorganisms present. This is what happens during eutrophication. This is why we see so much death of aquatic animals due to lack of oxygen. Now my friend Lavanya will continue to do the next experiment.
Acid rain damages our land poorly as it washes away nutrients from the plant. It also has harmful chemical substances and metals into it, making them less fertile, which also reduces the plant growth. Now let's do the same to this experiment. My friend is adding acidic soil and normal soil into 2 test tubes. Now she is adding nitrogen peroxide into both the test tubes. Look closely. Do you see that? Fizzing, bubbling. What's causing it? The bubbling is due to the release of oxygen. Our soil contains dead organic matter and tiny microbes in it. The tiny microbes contain an enzyme called catalyst. The catalyst breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, which is released as bubbles. So it basically tells us that our soil is biologically active. Good soil means healthy microbial growth and friend Aratrika will continue with the next experiment.
Well, now me and my partner will continue with the next experiment. We have two plant saplings, sapling A and sapling B. Both of these are healthy, of the same size and grown in the same type of soil so that we can make a fair comparison. Now, she will add some normal rainwater into sapling A. Next, we will take a leaf of sapling B so that we don't destroy the entire plant. Next, she will add acidic rainwater into sapling B. Now, we won't see the changes instantly, but within a short amount of time, we will see the effects. I will request my partner to show you all the leaf. Do you all see that? The leaf is drooping down, looks a bit dried up, and has some brownish color on it. This is the effect of acidic water on the leaf surface and the chloroplast effect of photosynthesis in these plants. Now my friend Rajoshi will continue with the next experiment.
Here, she has a Here she has bits of facial pieces with a stashing shifted material from the features, fishes, and gold beads. Here, in dish 1, she is adding normal tap water. In dish B, she is adding acidic rainwater. In dish A, this is almost a reaction. In dish B, this is visible. With carbon dioxide forming and acid attacks calcium carbonate, we are going to see that the actual pieces are becoming smaller, thinner and red. This is exactly what happens in lakes, oceans and coral reefs when they are affected by acid rain. The acidity degrades the calcium in the shells and harms my leg. However, technology is going to continue the consequences.
Now we explain all the effects of acid rain and how it's slowly degrading our environment from damaging soil to harming the plants and polluting our world. It's our duty as responsible human beings to remedy this situation. Small choices matter. Using thinner scales, avoiding vehicle emissions, walking or cycling shorter distances, and using renewable energy whenever we can. And the most important one is planting trees. Okay, absorb the pollutants and protect the soil from acid rain. Something that we are going to see from the setup. Now my friend Renbo will demonstrate.
We have a container seed. Each cut off from the top and dipped in the bottom with the water circles. Each container has 3 different types of land. Container A is covered with healthy green grass. Container B is covered with soil, cement, concrete and other pollutants. Container C is covered with soil with plastic.
By the plants, which have a baby plant inside them. They are mostly enclosed inside the fruits. Although they differ in shape, size and color, but they have some common parts. Seed coat is the hard outer covering of the seed. It has a tiny hole called micropyle through which the seed gets water. Embryo is the baby plant inside the seed. Cotyledon is where the seed stores food. Now over to my friend Ishana, who will explain about the different kinds of seeds.
Usually, there are 2 types of seeds based on the number of cotyledons. Monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Monocot seeds contain a single cotyledon. For example, paddy and maize. Dicot seeds contain 2 cotyledons. For example, peas and wheat.
Good afternoon. We have made a model based on solution. The solution. In modern time, when we can do such a matter, climate change, pollution, and excessive use of renewable resources. Solar energy is one of the best solutions. It is a renewable source of energy because it comes from the sun and inexhaustible and natural energy source that is free of cost.
Here my model demonstrates the conversion of sunlight into electricity. Men, please take a look at the men's corner. There are clocks made by glass board and there are charts of fraction and average. Men, you can also have a look at our science lab projects that are made by glass board.
This is the contrasting effects of pollution and sustainable living on our planet. On one side you see a brown landscape with droughts and pollution from factories representing the harmful effects of global warming, rising temperatures and climate change, turning our planet's green spaces into barren lands. While on the other side we have a lush green landscape with windmills and solar energy showing a sustainable future. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power can reduce pollution and help combat climate change. Our model highlights the importance of adopting practices and reducing our carbon footprint to protect our planet. Thank you.
Welcome to our project Graphic Colors India. This model represents various communities and cultures that make India a vibrant and diverse nation. As we walk through this exhibit, we will see the representation of people from different regions, religions and backgrounds. Our project aims to showcase the harmony and the coexistence of this diverse group, achieving a sense of India's unity in diversity. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our project, The Monuments of India. The Monuments of India represent India's rich history. Each monument tells a story about our various past and its architectural traditions. Here are some monuments of India. India Gate. This is India Gate, a war memorial in Delhi. It honors our nation's history. Taj Mahal. This is Taj Mahal, built by Shah Jahan, and is one of the beautiful monuments in the world. Thank you. I am passing you a plate.
These are the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Delhi. These are a example of Islamic architecture. And this is a Red Fort, historic fort in Delhi, where our Prime Minister falls the national flag every Independence Day. And this is the Lotus Temple, a beautiful Bahai temple known for its Indian architecture. Thank you. Now the latest one.
हमारा विषय है राष्ट्रगीत। हमारे देश के महान कवि और राष्ट्रवादी से राष्ट्रकवि की बात की गई है। उन्होंने अपनी कविताओं से देशभक्ति, वीरता और मानवता की भावना को जागृत किया और आज भी राष्ट्र की आत्मा के स्वर बनी है। नमस्कार, मैं काया इस प्रदर्शनी में राष्ट्रीय कवि आदि अभियत प्रसिद्ध है।